In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So to start with, just head over to the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, and then we're going to click on the Microsoft Store. In the search box at the top of this screen, search for the word Lively and then press Enter. Now click on this one on the left, which is Lively Wallpaper, and click on the Get button to go and install this to your computer. Once this is finished installing, we can open up the application, then click on Library in the top navigation, and you can select from any of these free live wallpapers. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use this wallpaper here. We can simply click on the three horizontal dots and click on Set as Wallpaper. And then now if I come back over to my desktop, you can see we have this live wallpaper. Now, some other things you can do is if you come back over to the application, you can click back on these three horizontal dots and click on Customize. And from here, you can go and adjust things like the color and also the speed of the animation. You can also click on Add Wallpaper in the top navigation, and you can use your own custom animated wallpaper by uploading a file. You can also enter a URL, so this could be something like a YouTube video, and you can use basically a YouTube video as your wallpaper for your computer. Once you finish, just click on OK, and to manage your active wallpapers, we can just click on this active button in the top right hand side. And if you have multiple displays on your computer, you can go and select the different screens to apply this to. So I've just got the one monitor, so it's going to be displayed here, but if you have duplicate monitors, you could always click on Duplicate, and you can go and select your different screens when picking live wallpapers. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.